Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to customize action in Outlook. It's going to be very easy and simple step. So first you can log into your Outlook account. I'm using Outlook website now. And then you can go to your setting in the top right corner here. And then you can go to mail and you can go to customize action here. So as you can see, you can change quick action, you can change swipe right, swipe left. So in the quick action, you can choose up to 4 action. So in my case, I have already checked the mark as read to or unread, and then the flag and pin and also delete. So if you want to add more, you have to, delete one. So maybe I want to delete the flag and I'm gonna add archive here. And then you can just click save and it will change to pin, archive, delete, and mark as read or unread. So that for the swipe right, you can choose or change it to maybe pin or other option here. So I'm gonna make it like this. And for the swipe left, you can choose to delete or mark as read or unread or other option here. I'm gonna choose delete and then you can just click save. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.